Hey everyone! Today we're unlocking a super handy Snapchat feature, posting multiple photos to your story. If you've ever wanted to share a bunch of moments without the hassle of individual posts, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now swipe up from the bottom of the camera screen to access your memories. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Tap on Camera Roll or Photos. Tap and hold on the first photo you want to add. Then continue tapping on all the other photos you want to include. You'll see little check marks appear on each selected photo. Once you've selected all your photos, tap the blue Send To button in the bottom right corner. On the Send To screen, tap My Story. And that's it. Your multiple photos are now live on your Snapchat story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.